I'm Angelo Stracquatanio. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Apprentice.io. I'm very excited to be here at the conference. This is now my fourth year coming to Pharma MES Berlin.
And can you tell us in one sentence what solution your company offers?
So we've built out an AI-powered cloud platform for life science manufacturing. We've been in the company now 10 years, which is pretty incredible. And so really excited because we have MES at the absolute heart of the platform.
And what new AI capabilities have you unveiled here today?
So here at Pharma MES, we've rolled out all of our new AI capability. This for us is a big change in how we think about AI and how we hope the industry thinks about AI. So we've fully embedded AI at every step in the process, from process design, where you can take a PDF and upload it and completely turn it into digital in one click, from prompt to MBR, where you can go from a prompt directly to digital also in a click. But then once you've actually created your recipe and you interact with all of it, you have to test it. And so we have simulation capability built in now completely with AI, where it simulates an experienced operator or a new operator. It tests all the values in one shot, and at least this way now, you can go from paper to digital to testing, but then you got to go to the shop floor. So when it's on the shop floor now, you have your operators who can ask questions with the AI. If it was a shift change, what happened on a shift before? Were there exceptions? How's my data trending? And it's their co-pilot and apprentice for them as they're going through their manufacturing. But that's not it either. We also then, once your record is done, you have to review and release. So we have AI embedded to help you review by exception faster, answer questions, and make recommendations. Because ultimately what you want is you want to constantly change and adapt your record. And so we actually make, with AI, really unique and detailed recommendations, which then with a click, you can embed it into your next version of your MBR.
What is your first impression of the conference so far?
So this is my fourth year coming to Pharma MES Berlin. I've gone to US for quite a while now. But this is by far the busiest. This is by far the most engaged I've seen the audience in all these years. And what's really exciting to me is that I think there's been a big evolution in not only pharma, but in software and MES too. And you can see it here in the audience. You can see the engagement, the questions, the willingness to think and really push yourselves in terms of what's possible here. And we've just seen a really incredible audience who, for us, obviously, we're quite excited about.
Okay. Networking has a special place at we.CONECT conferences. What opportunities do you have here to connect with potential customers?
So one of the best parts about Pharma MES is that we have access to so many opportunities, so many prospects, current customers of ours, partners of ours, friends of ours. It's really been a great opportunity, and we.CONECT makes a really nice place for us to be able to connect with folks, whether that's in happy hours or on the show floor or in the events that follow. We've found that the connections that we make here at Pharma MES Berlin in particular translate post-show into partner relationships, customer relationships, or just richer experiences with the industry.